Tired of hunting for the Add Contact button in Webex? I've been there, clicking through menus, wondering where that simple feature went. Here's exactly where to click to add anyone in seconds. First, sign in and open your profile menu. Then we'll walk through the My Contacts page and add a new contact step by step. I've tested every single click here, so you won't waste time getting lost. So let's start. Open up Webex on your computer and make sure you're signed in. You just need your email and password, like usual. Once you're in, look up at the very top right corner of the screen. See that little circle with your initials or a photo? That's your profile picture. Go ahead and click it. A small menu will pop down. You'll see options like Settings, Profile, and Help. What we need is the one that says My Contacts. Click on that. Now, give it a moment. Webex is loading your My Webex Contacts page. This might take a second or two, especially if you have a lot of contacts already. Don't click around. Just wait for the page to fully appear. Once it's loaded, you should see a clean page with your current contacts listed. Right in the middle, or sometimes near the top, depending on your screen, there's a button that says Add Contact. Click it. All right, here's where we actually fill in their info. A new window or form will open up. You'll see fields for their name, first and last, and their email address. This is the most important part, so pay attention. I always double-check the email because that's how Webex connects them to your account. If you type it wrong, it won't find them. You can also add their phone number or a note if you want, but you don't have to. Just the name and email are enough to get started. Now, before you save anything, take a quick look at the details you entered. Is the spelling correct? Is the email right? I've made the mistake of rushing and sending an invite to the wrong address before, so trust me, this quick review saves the headache. Once you're sure everything looks good, click the Add or Save button. It might say one or the other, depending on your version of Webex. Give it another moment to process. Webex is working in the background to save your new contact. This usually takes less than 15 seconds, but don't click away just yet. You'll see a confirmation message pop up, something like Contact Added Successfully. That's how you know it worked. If you scroll down on the same page, you'll find your personal contacts list. And there it is, the person you just added, right in the list. Their name and email should be there, ready to use. You can now chat with them, call them, or start a meeting. Here's a little bonus tip. If you have more people to add, you don't have to start over from scratch. Just click that Add Contact button again, and you can add another one right away. I usually do a few in a row when I'm setting up a new team or adding colleagues from a project. And that's really all there is to it. No more guessing, no more wasted clicks. You've gone from frustrated to confident in under a minute. Now, go ahead and add that contact. You've got this.